Hi guys, my name is Mark Barner from MacGeni. Today we're in my summer house with this amazing view. I thought I'd do an unboxing of this mysterious black box. It's from Skullcandy and they actually sent this to me, so this is sponsored. But the thing is that it's called Skullcandy, and my old dad, he actually thought it was candy when I wasn't around. So he tried to open the box, so he kind of tear up the sticker a little bit. But I guess we'll survive anyways. We'll check out, it's probably headphones, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a test of it. Okay, so let's start the unboxing of this one. And since my dad already started this, there's like a small string here, if you can see. And we'll just pull that string. And it doesn't really come off. There we go. That's how it looks inside. And what is this? It's like a, and I like the small skulls that they put on here. It's very, very neat. I don't know if this is anything else than just a block. It says, to maintain the maximum mood levels, just add music. Oh, that's true. And it's in the lid. Something in the lid, and also there's something here. It's that's actually what's in this. That's a big box for a poster, I guess. That's the poster we got there. It's like very much summerly poster. And we have whatever, this is Ride Skullcandy certificates. So this is apparently a limited edition. I didn't know this. It says hashtag feel confident, rise and freaking shine. Yeah, they're not joking around, I guess. Anyways, let's see what's in the lid. I think this is what's most important. That's in the lid and has like a blue button on it. There's even more inside here, actually. Let's see. That's what's inside. And it's a user guide here. And it says, do this first. We got the user guide here, and I don't think I need this one, but we'll see. That is what they look like. And I like what they did with the colors. They're not joking around. It's really colorful. And we got this, it's like the Apple headphones. They also have like an indicator of how much battery there is. And it says CO 2010 model S2TDW, made in China. Anyways, let's see. They look pretty cool. Got this tiny white thing here. I think that's, oh, that's the power part. So that's what's working when I put this back in the box. That's what's gonna charge. And we got these as well. So I'll just take these off as well. There we go. Er det her ikke højre? Her er det venstre. Kan du finde mit øre, mens jeg putter dem i? Lige stille skarpt på mit øre. They're pretty silent, actually. I can't hear anything else. Yeah, I can hear the ocean a little bit. Let me try to turn them on. I'll hold down. It says power on. And I'll let you know how that sounds.
Pairing.
Power on. Maybe they can feel my ears, I don't know. But I like this box, it's pretty neat actually. I think I like what they did with the colors. That's what I actually miss from Apple, is that they don't do these types of colors. They only have white, and I saw someone else, they did black. And I think it's a shame that they don't have other colors. They used to have, like with iPods and Nanos and everything, they used to have other different types of iPods and, you know, colorful stuff like this. But I'll turn on the music. Pairing, it says. So I guess it's trying to connect to my iPhone, but that's actually filming me right now, so I can't connect them right now. So I'm trying to pair this with my phone, and I can hear that the headphones are telling me that it's available. And here it says headset FYSPG. That's the gimbal headset. Sesh. Yeah, so I guess that's the model name of it. Connected, it says. So these are called Sesh. And so I'm connected to them now. I'm gonna put on my favorite Spotify list. It asks me to put on Wi-Fi. I'll do that as well. And let's see how they sound. So that's playing right now. I think I should power this one on too. You have to power both of them on. You can't just power one on. And I hope it's connecting too. Let me see. So that's good. You can use one if you want, I guess. Nice. But the music hasn't started playing over here yet. It says connected. Maybe I should have read the manual. Okay, power off now. Power off. Now they both say power off, so I'll turn them on, and I'll do the same thing with the other one. Okay, now they're both powered on. It says connected. I'll go back into music. I'll start playing anything. It's only the right one that's playing. Okay, what I'll do is I'll actually figure out the manual and then why they're not both connecting. But I think this sound is pretty good. I don't know what the price range is on these, but I do know that it's a limited edition. So if you want to get these yellow ones and look cool like that, I think it's very sporty. I think it's kind of like a step back to the 80s, but then now it's very colorful, like the logo of Instagram, very colorful. I'm impressed by them. It's very plasticky, these. I still like that it has an indicator and it has a sound feedback saying it's power on, power off. One thing I want to give as a feedback is that I wish there was like other exchangeable rubber parts to this, so you could change them if you have bigger or smaller ears. I don't have this issue myself, but I know other people do have. Maybe it's in the box, I couldn't see it anywhere, but these are limited edition. Maybe it's not meant to be with these ones, but I like that they did the thing with the colors, and the quality is pretty good. I would probably still prefer my favorite ones, but these are definitely going in my gym bag, and I'm gonna use these every time I work out. So if you wanna charge them, it's with the USB, and I guess there's no wire in this, but everyone has like a USB port if you have any electronics in your house. Anyways, that's my very fast and quick review. I hope you liked it, and if you wanna know more, let me know in the comments. All right, correction, I just said that I wish there was more bigger or smaller rubber parts for the headphones. There is, and there's also a cable included. So if you need that, and most people do, it's very nice to have this coming with the headphones. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mark Barner from MacGeni.dk. If you want to watch more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you really hate it, well, you know, there's another button doing a different thing, and I probably won't see you in the next video, but all the others that enjoyed this, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.